Hey, Dewey.
Someone, yeah, yeah.
Honk Konk.
What?
Good morning, Mark Weens here. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Okay, so people often ask me where I'm from, and I thought that I'd, tell you. I'm from, you know, here. Now, a lot of people don't know where this is, but some do. So let's see what other people. Hi, M47. Hi, Vagina Nose Sam. Male or female? Mangina! Are you a male or a female? Honk Konk. And that's basically where the conversation ended. Hi there. Will my dog chase your dog? Please say yes. No, but I will honk your conk. Are you a female? H. Are you a girl? F. I'm a H, which means hermaphrodite. And that's also where the conversation ended instantly. Hey there. Hi, M. Female. Where are you from, lover boy? Germany. And I'm 24. How about you? I'm 20 from Honk Kong. Cool. Got a pic of yourself? Ha ha ha. Have you ever been to Honk Kong? No. Wait. What is Honk Kong? Oh, you should go to Honk Kong sometime. What do you mean, what's Honk Kong? It just is. Hong Kong, you mean? No? Honk Kong. Where's that? It's Honk Kong, you can't miss it. We invented. And he just ended the conversation right there. Hey, you wanna know who did my art? The person who created this beautiful profile picture and these amazing sprites? Uh, Follow them on these websites, and Dewey, thank you very much, and I wanna suck your.